I like doing the restoration work and being in nature because I feel really calm being outdoors. I have a good sense of mindfulness, and I feel like I'm doing some really hands-on work, and even with just the little small tasks every day, kind of adding up to the bigger restoration goals. A lot of the work that I do out in the field is a lot of invasive species work, so removing invasives using different techniques like chemical or mechanical. I also do some native planting for restoration, so incorporating native plants back into the environment where the invasives previously were. With having monocultures of invasive species, it really reduces the diversity of the habitat for different wildlife, from bugs to birds. So it's important to continue to have that diversity and get rid of these monocultures of species that are taking away potentially different food sources for animals. A few ways to help mitigate the spread of invasive species in an area. When we're planning our day, we start with the area that has the least amount of invasives, because then we're mitigating the spread of the larger populations from not going into areas where there are not already a lot of invasive species. As I leave the work site, immediately taking off any little seeds that may be attached to my clothing or boots, and then always arriving to the site with clean gear as well. Work, clean, go.